After Madala Island, we head to a location we found in Google Earth. The place looked like a small marina, and according to the charts, pretty shallow, but fair enough for Crim. The place was nice, but small and exposed to seas and wind. We docked in the only suitable pontoon for Cream, but soon after, a member of the staff came to kindly tell us that the place was not strong enough to withstand the approaching typhoon. We were quite hesitant and spent the first night without knowing what to do or where to go. The next morning, some local sailors knocked Cream's door to say hello and again warn us about how dangerous the place was. They offered to drive us in their car to a not too far away location where we could be sheltered. The drive took like an hour or so, and the trip was more than worth it. The place was great, and we will never forget how glad and lucky we felt to have met them and get their help and advice. We went back to Cream, and in a matter of minutes we were sailing towards the shelter. The dock was strong and well protected, as quiet and solitary. Put down the dinghy, double the lines, put down the head sail and spend the first night peacefully, knowing we were in the right spot. The next morning, we started our usual bike exploration, just to discover an interesting fishing village. not too far, we located a coin laundry and a petrol station. Traditional Japanese restaurants are always cozy, and the food is great. But you need to adapt your body. And figure out how to decode the menu. It was a great release the morning after the typhoon, to look around and see the sun shining again. We were safe and sound and ready to continue our sailing adventure. But before farewell, we rode our bikes until the northern point of the coast, just to discover how beautiful and great the place and the views were. Prepared cream to continue the adventure, and the weather was so hot that eventually we needed to cool down. A good dinner, a bit of blues, and the next morning we were good to go. See you in the next adventure. Have a good one.